Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is fourth video. In this video we will discuss about the next further step in facts over fundamentals, and the today's topic or of this video's topic is what is image directory and planning disk capacity. Very important. Okay, so it will be a very small video but very quick and very informative information. Okay guys, I hope this will give you a very clear and informative information. Okay, so it is a step-by-step process. Okay, now if we talk about, oh, every information came in front of our automatically. Okay, so this slide got messed up with me, no problem, we'll discuss about it. So okay guys, you can see image directory. So you should understand what is the meaning of image directory. So guys, image directory is nothing but it is a combination of two words. The first one is image is nothing but pictures, and directory is a location where you centrally locate or keep or put all the your data, or I should say image directory. We are talking about images, so it is image directory. Directory is nothing but it is a location where we can keep multiple images. Okay, so if we are into fax server platform, so we will talk about fax images. So all the fax images will be storing at this location only, so that is why it is called image directory. Okay, so for this again you need to plan, okay, what should be this capacity and what is the requirement, how you will manage, because every day if you have five faxes, so daily you will have five faxes stored in one location, so the directory will be full, that space will be occupied or will be reduced day by day. So for example, today you got 5 fax, tomorrow you are getting 5, so now it is 10, and the capacity of this is like it can handle only 8 faxes. So you have to think about that, okay, because your capacity is for 8 only and you want to store 10. How it is possible? How would you make it possible? So in that condition you can plan, like you can take high capacity disk here. So and even you can use couple of tools for archiving faxes which is old. For old faxes you can use archiving technology or compression technology. So if this for example, one fax is coming 5 kb, I'm just giving you example, so you can compress it, you can archive it to 1.2 MB kind of things, or kb kind of thing, so you can store multiple or more faxes on your disk. So that is all about planning this capacity. So I hope I will be capable to give you clear idea about it and informative information. That is my intention and effort. So guys, I'm just removing this. Okay, okay, done. I will take highlighter once again. So you can see fax documents are stored on the server in the RightFax directory. You can see this is the directory where all the images will be stored. Okay, RightFax will be your parent folder inside that image directory as separate files per image at an average disk size is 35 kb. So average image size, okay, so every image size can be of 35 kb average, okay, per file. So in the form of file it will be stored and it will have separate names, separate information for separate fax. So it is going to write fax image directory and the size can be 35 kb minimum. Now to calculate the appropriate hard drive capacity necessary to store these and the other document files, use the following formula. So let me show you the directory first. Okay, so you should have very clear idea what we are talking about. So guys, if you go to let me go to this server and I will log in and show you what it is actually. Okay, oh, I gave wrong password. Okay, so guys, these are the faxes will be stored in the form of images, and I told you in my previous video also, if you want to see where these images are storing, you can go to this uh, database. Okay, database module, and you can see data storing. So you have two options here. One is like you can store, use this root path for the following, for all the file types. So if you want to store, you can use this path, or if you want for share drive, if you want to go to share drive and shared locations, you can select from here, share this path with other servers. Okay, so you need to configure that. So if you want to store on local server, then path you can see here, it is telling you see program files, RightFax, then image. Okay, and let me take you to this path only, whether it is available or not, so you will have clear idea. So guys, I gave, okay, the path. Let's see now it is opening or not. Image drive. So you can see we are into this path only. Okay, even if I go back, I can go to RightFax. Okay, this C drive, from here I can show you C drive, program files folder, and RightFax. Then I can search images, this images folder, and if you expand these folders, you can see today's date, and you will have lots of data here. So everything is separate from each other. Okay, so you can see date and time. It is sent on 3rd of March 2022, 9:58 a.m. Okay guys, so every image will have unique identification, unique information. Okay, what date and time it was created and came. For example, you can see here second, I mean February 28th 2023, 10:14 p.m. At this time this image was created. Okay, this fax was created, kind of information. So you can choose as per the organization requirement, or what is the decision of your team. Okay, an organization. So this is all about image directory and where it is going to store. Now let's see about the formula. So guys, hard disk, if you have 8 GB hard disk, okay, 8 GB hard disk, number of faxes per day, number of faxes per day into number of days stored into 35 KB. This is a formula you have to use. Number of pages per day. For example, I'm giving 15 into number of days to store, I mean for 5 days example, into 35 KB. So this should be your calculation. Okay, KB, this should be your disk capacity, hard disk size. But generally organization will take care of this very seriously. They give you much space, more space, advanced space. Okay, so do not need to worry about that. But this is a calculation, how you can calculate, how you can planning. Okay, and here you should not, I should not mention this drive. This is a formula to calculate. Now whatever the value is coming, we should take care of more than that or larger than that, for the safer side. Okay, that will be your hard disk side, hard disk size required, or required hard disk size. You can calculate very simple, number of pages per day. Okay, and number of days stored into 35 KB. Now let's see, to convert the hard drive size divided by 124 to get GB, and again by 2 GB. Let's see this calculation. After the calculation, you should add 1.5 GB for the operating system and fax server. So this should be your additional space there. Okay, 1.5 GB for operating system and fax server. Fax server will stop converting outgoing faxes if you have less than 50 MB of the free space on the hard drive. So if you have 50 MB less than space, so outgoing converting will be stopped by fax server. This is one condition. So make sure you have more space, free space all the time. Okay, it should not reach to 50 MB at all. That is one thing you should be very careful. Okay, for outgoing faxes. And Let's see the next one. You can set Enterprise Fax Manager to page administrator if the free space on the hard drive drops below 150 MB and or 50 MB. So we have this alert we can configure to check if this drive is less than 150 MB or 50 MB. So you will be getting alerts. Okay guys, so that can be done with the help of alerts. Okay, we can configure on Enterprise Fax Managers. So there will be lots of alerts we can create. So let me show you if I can. Okay, let me go to this. So you can see, like, this alerts and monitoring you can configure from here. Okay, so there will be lots of options. Go to new and give see, you can see here like database, fax server, gateway, and lots of things will be there. You can choose as per the requirement and configure from here. Okay, what you want to configure as an alert and all, monitor and all. So if there is anything, then you will be getting alerts. Okay, and for example, this is uh, property. You can see uh, there will be some sort of alerts you can configure. Okay, you can see here user message. You can configure for user also messages when recipient has sent a fax. So these are the multiple uh, options we have. You can see here, for example, this space critical low. Okay, so you can see here 50 MB. Okay, and this space getting low, so you can configure values as per your requirement and organization. So these are the facility or services we have with RightFax to avoid that kind of scenario. Okay, but you have to be very careful about hard disk size or disk capacity. So guys, I hope I have given you a couple of good information about image directory, what it is actually and how it is important and how we can plan. So minimum size of uh, per file of fax will be or can be 35 KB. Okay, and changing the directory, changing the image directory after installation. Yes, you can change it after the installation. Okay, you can change the path to the image directory by opening the server module server or selecting data sharing tab and changing the path in the image field. Just now I showed you what it is actually, whether we can change or not. Same thing is here, this one. I will show you one more time. So server module you have to open, you need to go to data sharing, and from here you can change. Okay, that is all about I was talking, and very simple. Okay guys, data sharing you need to go, and from here if you want locally you can just click it. Very simple. And I'm done with this. I hope this was informative. I recorded a small video but specific topic based, and in next video we'll talk about some other topic. So if you want to learn, what you have to do is just simply click subscribe, and whatever you want, you can, if you want to share, you can like, share and comment. I will meet you in next video guys. Till then, bye bye.